Rubik's Cubes. Are they difficult? No. Can I solve one? Also, no.
There's never been a puzzle quite like Rubik's Cube, and America may never be the same.
Invented in 1974, the Rubik's Cube is one of the best-selling toys of all time. It's a 3x3 cube puzzle that's deceivingly difficult. These days, all you need are algorithms.
Easy, right? Yeah. But the title of this video is me learning how to speed cube. And speed cubing? Well, that's a whole nother story.
You see, speed cubing isn't just about solving the cube. It's doing that in the fastest possible time. That involves learning better algorithms, becoming quicker with your hands, and a lot of practice. The current record? 3.47 seconds. Yeah, insane, right? And me? Well, I am going to be aiming for a modest 60 seconds.
This is day one. Let's try and solve the cube.
I'm going to be using the beginner's method, which is the one shown on the official Rubik's website. I know how to solve the first layer by intuition, but I don't know the rest.
Step 1. Make yellow cross. None. We just solved it in 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Alright, I've got my step-by-step guide printed. Let's start memorizing. I've just memorized the beginner's algorithm. Let's see how fast I can solve it now. Cool. So, not bad. 247. Let's see if we can get it down with more practice. Not terrible. 153, sub 2, 151, 150. The speed cubes that I've ordered have just arrived, so let's see how they are. Oh wow, we took a little oldie thing. Sweet. Oh, this feels so smooth. That's insane. Okay, so I've got my speed cubes. Hopefully my time improves. Okay, I got a 110. So I've been averaging around 120 to 130 on the speed cubes, but it's still not fast enough, and I think it's time we learn CFOP.
CFOP is one of the most common methods among speed cubers, and transitioning to it was actually quite difficult. Not only was my time not improving after days of practice, it had gotten worse, almost twice as slow as my previous solves. But I continued, kept practicing, and slowly but surely started to improve.
Okay, I've been practicing heaps. Let's see if I can get my solve time under a minute. This is solve 1. Alright, this is solve 2. Alright, this is solve 3. Solve 4, let's do it. Solve 5, final solve. Yes, 51 seconds. Okay, so my average solve time is 52 seconds. Yes! I finally done it. I've practiced so much and I'm just stoked.